Good morning to all. Today we will continue chapter number 6, retirement of a partner. Today we will learn how to adjust partner's capital in case of retirement of a partner. There are 5 different ways to adjust the partner's capital. First one is when total capital of the new firm is given. In the question, if total capital of the new firm is given, then how to adjust partner's capital? We will learn with the question number 44 from T.S. Grewal. Lisa, Monica and Nisha were partners in a firm sharing profits and losses in the ratio of 2 to 1 on 31st March 19. Their balance sheet was as follows. On 31st March 19, Monica retired from the firm and the remaining partners decided to carry on the business. It was agreed that land and building be appreciated by rupees 2,40,000 and machinery be depreciated by 10%. 50% of the stock was taken over by the retiring partner at book value. Provision for doubtful debt was to be made at the rate of 5% on debtors. Goodwill of the firm be valued at rupees 3 lakh and Monica's share of goodwill be adjusted in the accounts of Lisa and Nisha. The total capital of the new firm be fixed at rupees 27 lakh, which will be in proportion of the new profit sharing ratio of Lisa and Nisha. For this purpose, current accounts of the partners were to be opened. You have to prepare a revaluation account, partners capital account and the balance sheet of the reconstituted firm on Monica retirement. First of all, we need to prepare revaluation account. We will write by land and building increases by 2,40,000. 2,40,000. We will record on credit side because it is a asset. Assets is increasing. Second point is machinery be depreciated by 10%. You will write on two side, debit side, to machinery account. The value of machine is decreasing by 10%. The value of machine in the balance sheet 12 lakh. 10% of 12 lakh, 1,20,000 only. After that, provision for doubtful debt was to be made 5% on debtors. You will write to provision for doubtful debt, to provision for doubtful debt account 5% of 4 lakh. It is 20,000 only. 2,40,000 and transfer to the debit side 2,40,000. Now you have to find out profit. So gain to profit transfer to capital account. There are 3 partners, Lisa, Monica and Nisha, and their profit sharing ratio is 2 to 1. You have to deduct 1,20,000 and 20,000 from 2,40,000 and you will get 1 lakh only. This amount will be divided among the partners in their profit sharing ratio 2 to 1. 40,000, 40,000 and 20,000. After revaluation account, we have to prepare partners capital account. And in partners capital account, we will write by balance BD. By balance BD. Balance of capital of the partners 14 lakh, 14 lakh, 3 lakh 60,000, 14 lakh, 14 lakh and 3 lakh 60,000. After that, you will write by revaluation account. You will transfer profit of revaluation to the partners capital account 40,000, 40,000 and 20,000. Now, second adjustment is 50% of the stock was taken over by the retiring partner at book value. For this adjustment, you will write on debit side to stock account. To stock account, the value of the stock is given in the balance sheet, that is 10 lakh. 50% of 10 lakh is 5 lakh. Retiring partner is Monica. You will write on Monica column 5 lakh. Next, you will calculate the value of goodwill. Total goodwill of the firm. Total goodwill of the firm is given in the question, that is 3 lakh. You have to calculate Monica's share of goodwill. Monica's share is 2 by 5. The goodwill of Monica's share is 1,20,000. You know, the entry is Lisa capital account debit and Nisha capital account debit to retiring partners, who is Monica, to Monica capital account 1,20,000, and this amount will be divided into 2:1 ratio. 2:1, it is a gearing ratio. 80,000 and 40,000. Lisa and Nisha are compensating to Monica. You will write to Monica capital account. To Monica capital account 80,000, 40,000, and on credit side you will write by Lisa capital account and by Nisha capital account 80,000, 40,000. Now we will calculate the value of the capital. Total capital of the new firm is given in the question. Total capital of the new firm is equal to 27 lakh. 27 lakh is the new capital of the firm. We will distribute among the partners 27 lakh into, the ratio is 2:1 after retirement of Monica. 2 by 3 and 1 by 3 of 27 lakh, 18 lakh, and it is 9 lakh only. You will write on debit side of partners capital account to balance CD. To balance CD 18 lakh, 9 lakh, now we will add all the figures. We will check which side are more, debit or credit. It is 18 lakh 80,000. 18 lakh 80,000. Debit side is more than credit side. In case of Lisa, you will write 18 lakh 80,000 here, and you have to find out balancing figure, and you will write by Lisa current account. It is 14 lakh 40,000. 18 lakh 80,000 minus 14,40,000 4,40,000. You will write 4,40,000 here. Now similarly in Monica case 14,40,000, 80,000, 40,000, 14, 80, 40, 120 and 160. It is 15 lakh, 15 lakh 60,000, 15 lakh, 15 lakh 60,000. You will transfer on debit side. You will write to Monica loan account. 15 lakh 60,000 minus 5 lakh, you will get 10 lakh 60,000. For Nisa, 9 lakh 40,000, 9 lakh 40,000, 9 lakh 40,000. It is 3 lakh 80,000, 9 lakh 40,000 minus 3 lakh 80,000. You will get 6 and 5 lakh 60,000. I hope you understood. Next, after partners capital account, we have to prepare balance sheet. In the balance sheet, on liability side, you will write capital accounts. Capital accounts, Nisha and Nisha. 18 lakh and 9 lakh. 18 lakh for Lisa and 9 lakh for Nisha. 18 plus 9, it is 27 lakh. Trade creditors 1,60,000. Trade creditors 1,60,000. Next, employee provident fund. You write employee provident fund, that is 76,000. Now on asset side, you will write land and building. The value of land and building appreciated by 2,40,000. You have to add with 10 lakh plus 2,40,000. It is 12,40,000. Next, machinery. The value of machinery is 12 lakh. Less depreciation 1,20,000. We get 10,80,000. Now stock. 50% of the stock was taken by the retiring partners. Remaining is 50%, that is 5 lakh only. We will write 5 lakh. Next, debtors. 70 debtors is 4 lakh. Less provision 20,000. We get 3,80,000. Now bank 40,000, and you will write Lisa current account, and here by Nisha current account. $5,60,000. You write on asset side, Lisa current account and Nisha current account 360 and 560. 440 and 560. 4,40,000 and 5,60,000. And you write on Monica loan account ready 10,60,000. 10,60,000. The total of balance sheet is 42,40,000. 42,40,000. That's all for today. Thank you.